Hello, crypto world. Tuesday afternoon in the United States, and the stock market just closed. And remarkably, Dow Jones made a new all-time high. The S&P made a new all-time high. And while they're not all-time highs, the risk-off safe haven asset continues. Gold to go up. It's near its all-time high. Silver's up almost 6%. And now I gotta give you some major news about crypto. I'm sure many of you knew that there was concern that the MSCI index was going to remove MicroStrategy, and if they did, there was some speculation that the stock would go down so bad that Strategy would be forced to sell some of their Bitcoin. Guess what? They will not exclude companies that have treasury of like MicroStrategy, so it's not going to happen to MicroStrategy. And guess what happened when this news came out? The news came out after the close, and look, it took MicroStrategy up immediately because there's not concern about being delisted from that important index. And now let's just talk about the rest of crypto for a minute. In crypto land, we're basically firm today with back off in some. But remember, we had such a big run up that it's not unusual for a little bit of profit taking to take place. And notice that in the one that was in the crypto that was the most violently moving up, XRP, look at this. It's down only 2%. It's still up 21% on the week. Pretty remarkable. So crypto is strong, but it's not rallying up at the moment. It's digesting its move. And I do want to point out one last thing. It's not only great that the MSCI is not planning to kick Strategy out of its index, but also, guess what? Morgan Stanley, which is the MS in MSCI, is going to have a Bitcoin ETF. I wonder if it's coincidental. In any event, markets are fine, mild back off, and as long as we continue with this all-time high in equity and the drop in interest rates and the general, if you will, risk-on attitude, despite the fact we have the safe haven of gold and silver going up, I think crypto's got a chance to continue its upward movement.